Hi, I'm Mike Dopsa, and today I'm introducing the GigaPin Touchless ATM, a familiar feeling system with unbelievable improvements to security. Touchless interfaces are the future, and I couldn't be more excited about the sanitary impact that that's going to have. But one thing is clear, the current PIN pad interface from traditional ATMs and POS systems is not going to safely translate to a touchless interface. Let me show you why. This is a 1 megapixel depth camera, making it slightly better than the depth cameras found on flagship mobile phones and headsets of 2020. Mobile phones of the future are going to have capabilities that far surpass this device. Let's see what it can do. As you can see, when you use an expected traditional keypad layout on a touchless interface, a thief can easily see your passcode from several meters away. And because it's a 3D reconstruction, they don't even have to be able to see the screen. First, we replaced the traditional number pad buttons with a Leap motion controller and a recessed virtual display. When you're using a traditional 10-button keypad, you have a maximum of 10,000 4-digit key codes that you can enter. But now that our buttons are virtual, we can rearrange the order of the keypad itself. This simple change dramatically increases the number of potential inputs and all but makes it impossible to detect your key code from just your hand position. It doesn't require any external knowledge or training. It just feels like an ATM. There can be no reasonable question on anybody's mind that the touchless system is more safe than the older system. There are 10 factorial, just over 3.6 million, different arrangements of the 10 keypad digits. So get this, your key code, 4 digits long, just went from being 1 in 10,000 to 1 in 36 billion. So the design of this interface is really simple. And if you've ever used an ATM machine, you'll feel right at home. As soon as you walk up to the machine, your hands are recognized immediately, and you can go ahead and start typing in your key code. Of course, clear and enter are here, and there's a classic mode which lets you see your traditional layout in case you don't want to deal with any randomization. You can actually press random an unlimited number of times. It's really satisfying. You get this great animation, and you'll notice with the animation the numbers are appearing in order. This is really helpful for recall. Without even doing anything intuitively, you already know where the numbers are. This brings me to the final and albeit most flexible part of this system, the display. The best possible display for this system is a lenticular retroreflective holographic light field display. These amazing screens have the capability of showing a glasses-free 3D image above a pane of glass. Inside a large physical installation like an ATM machine or actually an arcade machine, these displays would work just fine. And their limitation of only showing the 3D effect right in the center works here as a benefit. You don't want people looking in from the sides anyway. Second best is a head-worn display of some kind. Today, I'm using a VR headset with a Leap motion controller on the front, but someday 3D AR glasses may be popularized as all-day wearable devices. And if that day comes, those glasses would be perfect for showing a touchless interface to you and only you. A standard computer monitor works great as well, with a wide virtual camera showing your hands and keys. Thank you so much for listening. If you'd like to test a demo of this ATM yourself, there's a VR and desktop downloadable version. Thank you so much. Have a good one.